The Cleaning Show's 2023 Trends Report. The organisers of The Cleaning Show have revealed its new 2023 Trends Report, exploring where the cleaning and hygiene industries are heading, the latest innovations and trends, as well as the challenges affecting the cleaning and FM industries. The report contains insights from leading experts representing industry bodies, suppliers, and operators. The report identifies 5 trends that will drive and disrupt the industry in 2023. Let's take a look at some of the predicted trends. Number 1. Digital transformation. When it comes to technology within the cleaning sector, automation has led the charge, allowing cleaning contractors to improve efficiency and better allocate staff to areas that cannot be covered by machines. Furthermore, the increased use of cobotics or collaborative robots, along with sensors, IoT, and new battery technologies, is progressing the strides already made. Paul Ashton, chair of the Cleaning and Support Services Association, said technology is having a profound impact on our industry, which could be quite intimidating for some people. The harsh reality is that if we embrace tech, we have immense opportunity to support our frontline teams with effective automation, which will help address the wider resource challenge. The cleaning service of tomorrow is truly data-led, creating intelligent solutions that drive positive change and minimize our impact on planet Earth. Making informed decisions has never been easier. Number 2. Fostering sustainability. Business owners are faced with the continual challenge of understanding and navigating the complexities of environmental sustainability, while managing and growing a business in an increasingly difficult climate. Contributors described a drive towards natural ingredients in cleaning products, investment in ethical packaging, and electric fleets. To read more about future cleaning trends, read the full article in our cleaning, hygiene, and washroom category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.